Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to spot for the best hands-on product breakdowns. Today, we're diving into the world of phone accessories, and I've got a gem for you. This is the best pop socket grip with stand that's reusable, the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand, adhesive grip, clear. Let's start with the basics. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is its sleek, minimal design. The clear version looks clean and modern, blending seamlessly with any phone case, especially hard plastic ones. It's not just for style though, this little gadget is all about function. This pop socket features a swappable top. That means you can switch out the design anytime you want. That's a level of flexibility you don't often see with other grips. Installation is straightforward. It uses a strong adhesive to attach to your phone or phone case. It's semi-permanent, so while it sticks very securely, you can still reposition it if needed. Just keep in mind, it doesn't stick well to silicone or waterproof cases. For best results, stick to smooth, hard plastic cases. Once attached, the pop grip gives your phone an ergonomic boost. It offers a secure grip so you can text one-handed, take steady selfies, or just scroll without the fear of dropping your phone. But that's not all. The expanding mechanism also acts as a built-in stand. Whether you're on a Zoom call, binge-watching your favorite series, or following a recipe in the kitchen, this stand function comes in clutch. So if you already use a pop mount in your car or on your desk, this grip integrates perfectly into that ecosystem. That level of cross-functionality adds a ton of value. Now let's talk about durability. The grip is made from tough polycarbonate, giving it enough resilience for everyday wear and tear. It's meant for long-term use and doesn't lose its grip or pop action over time. It's built to stay with you through the day-in, day-out routine. There are two main styles you can choose from, adhesive and MagSafe. In this video, we're talking about the adhesive version, which is a great choice for universal compatibility. It works with almost all phones, just avoid those textured or silicone cases we mentioned earlier. Let's not forget the price. At just under $10 plus shipping, it's a really solid investment in terms of both style and utility. And yes, it ships internationally, including to India, with a clear delivery timeline. So to wrap it all up, the PopSockets adhesive grip in clear is more than just a phone accessory. It's a practical, stylish tool that makes everyday phone use easier, more secure, and hands-free when you need it. It's swappable, reliable, and a great fit for anyone looking to level up their phone setup without spending a fortune. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this product sounds like the right fit for you, check out the link in the description to learn more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another review. See you in the next one.